Hey everybody, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Really quick one here from Mr. Softee, Microsoft. Microsoft is breaking out today and doing it on higher than average volume. You may have heard Apple broke out yesterday bigly, but I told StockMarketMentor.com members that I felt the stock was a bit extended and it was a high-risk buy. Now, it did continue higher, but it's still well above all these key moving averages and away from a potential breakout pivot. So this feels more like a bit of a short squeeze rather than a clean breakout like we're getting here with Microsoft. And so I definitely think Microsoft is potentially actionable here with a stop right under today's intraday low. And that actually works out nicely because that is the actual breakout pivot. So you know if the stock comes back here into this area, it's not ready to break out just yet. So we got a super clean setup here from Microsoft, and earnings not until the end of July. So lots of potential runway here for Mr. Softee on this nice breakout. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see the full list, click that link, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.